welcome and welcome back to the channel. Today is story time. As I tell you this story, I'm going to be making hot chocolate. You know, everybody, it's Christmas. This is personal. It's Christmas and it's a little bit cold outside. So during this time, we need a little bit something warm, cozy. Yeah. So this episode, it's not a good story, but as I just make through this, I'm going to talk about something that made me sad. Life is a journey, life is a mystery, life is unpredictable. Today is 22nd, 1 day to Christmas. And today is my birthday. Nice. Pictures, make some videos, some contents. I'm not doing that, but that's my video. Here is just a happy milk. It's very important. So I'm going to make hot chocolate. Famous Italian hot chocolate. So I got my honey here, so I'm taking honey. A little bit of honey for my hot chocolate. I don't want to use sugar. Yeah. And honey for this delicious recipe. And I give it a stir. Okay, properly. Sorry, that's so you want chef to do. I love that part. Rest of housing of you know, sometimes I have this, I don't know what they call them, instincts. I don't know how you call them. Your spirit is just down, your spirit is just telling you something is gonna happen, but you really don't know what is going to happen. You're just there. So guys, I was going through my phone. As I go through my phone, I bumped in a picture whereby I lost one cousin in 2020, and in his funeral, right, they were sharing, they were lowering him on their grave. So like, I told my roommate, see this picture? It's my cousin. My roommate was like, show me this. But my mind was on that picture, lowering this person. Guess what? 1 o'clock, my mom calls me and says my first cousin died. I was like, was God giving me a message or what? So going back to my chocolate, because cocoa powder, as you can see, and you see my little, there is some kind of boiling point. So I'm going to put some cocoa powder in my, as I say, it's hot, as I said, it's cold outside. You know, this season of Christmas, it's like, oh, God is saying, this is the time of the year when everybody is celebrating Christmas. Bear with me, stay with me until I make this cozy hot chocolate drink for the season as we celebrate the button cheeses and like the distinctive day party. Yeah. Sometimes my love is a mystery. From dusk we came to dusk we shall all return. Shall love, shall love. You don't know what is tomorrow. You know, the world is celebrating. The world is there waiting to celebrate the birth of Savior, Messiah, Yahweh, Jesus, and what? Family is moving. It's like Boston. Yeah. So today, I'm just making this. I just feel like my roommate is in there. I just go and go. I'm gonna make that. Actually, I want to make that. So I was making and I was thinking of, oh, it's on, it's all everywhere. Let me just take shower and I want to stay. That's it. And she works for me. I chocolate without this is so delicious. So what I'm gonna use with the chocolate bar. Let me just make something out of the chocolate bar. So this is something. Nature is guys, you should know. Everyone outside there is so creative. So be careful what you say. Be careful what you tell a woman. Because women, God bless us to get to French. It's all woman is watch. She creates that sentence. And you come with each of us by for me and make perfect for her. That's what my friend is. She just gave me a bar of chocolate. No, we are open. Like all powder. I don't believe how fair. Make this hot chocolate with so guys, that's it. I hope you I need to mix a tablespoon of cornstarch. We need to pour in gently, gently, gently. Yeah. So you see, it is thickening up. It sounds really wow. But it's okay. Okay. So this is chocolate. This was a chocolate bar. I grated it. So you need to move this. Then we stay at it until fill the whole salt. Oh, sweet cayenne. Hot chocolate. Guys, this is so delicious. Trust me. Yeah. So, guys, this is my hot chocolate. So delicious, so heavily fuzzy. It is sweet and it is hot. Or outside. It's also with this. Sometimes your family is just simple. Right ingredient, best quality ingredient, milk. With a chocolate bar, you grate very well. Cocoa powder, like enough. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder is enough. Whenever you use sugar or uh, any sweetener of your choice, so I tend to use my honey as I can say. So this is the end. So delicious. It's done. I mean, just put it down aside.